Are you looking for the best products for your home? We've examined the best offers on the market and ranked them to help you find what you're looking for. While researching these products, we pored over hundreds of buyer and expert reviews and ratings of dozens of models. Our guide features appliances with a track record of performance, durability, and eco-friendliness, all while balancing their affordability. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to receive more of best home product lists. Smart sprinkler controllers allow for automated scheduling and to be able to control your home sprinklers from far away. While those are certainly two good reasons, smart sprinkler controllers can also help save water by smart watering your yard, garden, or flower beds, catering to the types of plants, soil, and even real-time weather in your area. The first one on the list is the Orbit Beehive. The Orbit Beehive sprinkler controller is a smart way to water up to 6 stations. It's how you can transform your garden into a smart garden. The Beehive Smart Sprinkler Controller allows you to water intelligently by helping you water decisions based on the ecological needs of your yard, while giving you the freedom to control from watering anywhere with your smartphone. The Beehive app allows you to program and control your timer directly from your smartphone. In addition, Beehive connects to local weather data, giving your landscape the exact amount of needed water. The Beehive Wi-Fi sprinkler allows you to control your timer from anywhere with a smartphone or internet connection. So whether you're in the garage, in the comfort of your bed, or halfway around the world, you can still monitor and control your sprinklers as if you were right next to the timer. The device receives local weather data and adjusts your controller automatically to provide the right amount of water to your plants. It does the job, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the results. Second is the Rashio Smart Sprinkler Controller, which also allows to water in a smart way your lawn and help you make watering decisions based on the ecological needs of your yard. Rashio is fully integrated with Amazon Alexa, so you can simply ask your smart hub to get things moving and the job is done. While installation is a breeze, uninstalling the device to replace old components or just for general maintenance is a bit tedious. The only other major problem we have is that Rashio announces that its system is compliant with discounts of up to 100%, but that's entirely up to your local water suppliers. It's actually extremely difficult to get a discount for this system, and it would have been better if they hadn't advertised it. Having said that, you have up to 8 zones to control, each with a jump function that doesn't work on rainy days or when it's windy. It's also fully WaterSense certified, so you know you're saving water. Next is the Rainbird ST8 Wi-Fi. The Rainbird ST8 Wi-Fi timers have similar core features to other products we have reviewed before. It can control the sprinkler through a Wi-Fi connection or manually with the onboard control panel. Admittedly not as beautiful and modern as say the Rashio 2nd generation. The physical design does look a bit obsolete, comparable to that of the Orbit Beehive with similar monochromatic LCD monitor and physical buttons. The Rainbird ST8 Wi-Fi can control up to 8 different zones when you use the master valve connection. It is decent enough for a small to mid-size lawn and can have 6 different start time control per zone. There are also 4 different watering days options based on cycles. As mentioned, for a smart enabled sprinkler controller, ease of installation is the norm. The Rainbird ST8 Wi-Fi installation process is fairly easy with a very comprehensive guide for both sizes. The Rainbird can also fine-tune the watering schedule by pulling weather forecast data from your location. The last device on the list is the Rain Machine Sprinkler Controller, which adjusts the watering amount by lowering it on rainy or colder days, increasing it on hot summer days. The system not only saves water, but it also protects your plants. The versatility of each program is unprecedented. Select individual days, odd day, even day mode, and cycle and soak or station delay. You can run the programs one at a time, sequentially, or even in parallel. The Rain Machine Wi-Fi Sprinkler Controller is designed to handle possible conflicts like simultaneous commands to the same valve or overlapping schedules. The device, like other devices on the market, allows to save water with real-time weather adjustments. All personal data is stored locally, so the Rain Machine continues to work even when Wi-Fi is down. The Rain Machine uses free weather data, being synced with free weather stations to pinpoint accuracy. You can control the Rain Machine from anywhere, from the color touchscreen, iPhone, PC browser, Android. It works from home, work or vacation. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. We hope you have a great day and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.